welcome. Gardening is fabulous, and today we're going to save an orange tree. It's 20 years old, and it was actually grown at the same time as our lemon tree, and I don't know if you're going to be able to see this, but the lemon tree is all the way over there in the back. It's really tall, and anyway, so this tree is basically 20 years old, and it's like the size if you would have gotten it from the store, like pre-grown. And I saved this orange tree.
Make it grow! The orange tree must grow! You have to replant it. Watersprouts.com.
It's no wonder this thing didn't grow. There's so many roots compacted like crazy. I have a beautiful fresh spot over there for this thing.
And she has a holder for her glasses up there. Wow. They like the clarinet and orange tree.
Good. This orange tree will come to life. Release your life force, orange tree, and let me transplant you. With this broken shovel?
Oh,
I just snapped it in half. Well, the shovel's had its run.
the shovel broke? You gotta use this.
I got the tree out. Alright, so water the location of the hole.
So what's happening?
Where did that come from?
Okay, so there you have it. Thank you for joining us on To Save an Orange Tree. I had a 20-year-old orange tree that was the same size as my lemon, or planted at the same time as my lemon tree, and it didn't grow, and so I decided to transplant it and use brute force to get it out because the roots were so compacted. It took a lot of muscle to get it out, but now it's over here in a new home, and I'm pretty sure that it's going to flourish after 20 years. So what happens. Maybe I'll finally get to eat some of the fruits on this orange tree. Peace.